everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming in a different room than the homeschool room to give the baby a little bit more space to crawl around where I don't have to worry about him eating dog food like you may have seen in my last video. So if you see him pop up, it's because he's crawling around on the floor. So today I'm super excited. We got a new subscription box for the kids and I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys. It is the little Bookish wardrobe. I am so excited about this because the kids love reading. Not only does it send you a book that is not a common one, but it also sends you an outfit to go along with that book. And it says that their website said that they give you 2 to 3 pieces of wardrobe and accessories that kind of tie in with the theme of the book. And they also send you some questions to go along and ask the kids to just kind of keep them engaged and along with the story. And I love that it ties in a costume and then questions because I feel like it just really paints the picture of the story for the kids and gets them excited. So let's open it up. This one is Noah's. On their website, you go and choose the gender of your child and the age, and then they send the age-appropriate book. So Noah is 8, and I think I'm actually going to turn the camera around so then you guys can open the box with me and see all the fun stuff that's inside. This is the outside of the box. And there's a little box of the month card, it looks like. Okay, I have not seen this book before, so it looks like their website rings true to trying to pick uncommon books. It is Mr. Pig's Big Wall. That looks fun. You know, Noah keeps mentioning how he wants more picture books because we read a lot of chapter books, and he likes to read a lot of chapter books, but I think sometimes he misses some of the easier to read picture books, so I think he's really gonna love that. That's really cute, and the pictures are so beautiful. It looks like there's a play and learn card, so just with all of the questions that you can ask your kids. I want a little connect the dots picture. He's gonna like that. He likes doing things like this, and then he gets to color them. All right, let's see what kind of costume. Looks like a little hat of some sort. Oh, maybe it's like a little frog. It looks like it's a turtle. It's super cute. I think he's gonna love that. And there's the baby. Seeing what kind of costume he's gonna grow into. And then inside they also have some little gardening things. That's super cute. Oh my gosh, and some balloons. I'm gonna have to hide those because my kids love blowing up balloons and then driving me crazy with them. And then Mr. Pig's Flowers says you get to make your very own felt flower pot. Oh, he's gonna like that. He likes doing little crafts like this, and so does Addie. That's awesome. It looks like they also have a challenge of the month where you help someone garden. You water their plants, pick out the weeds, clear flower beds from twigs and fallen leaves, and make sure that the sun can get your garden and watch it bloom. I think that's super cute. It kind of encourages them to look for somebody in need and that you can help. And this is going to be Addie's. One of the things that I didn't mention before was that this is a small, like mom and pop shop kind of subscription box. So everything is handmade, which I really appreciate because I think it, I don't know, it just adds a certain kind of value to it. This one's going to be Little Red Riding Hood and some finger puppets. Oh my gosh, she's going to love that. And then Challenge of the Month. Discuss safety issues and have your child help reinvent the story by applying the safety issues. Oh my god. And there's the baby trying to help open. She gets this little beautiful Red Riding Hood book. Let's open it and see. Oh, it's pretty. So it's like an older book. I like this. This is really nice. Let's see what kind of costume she got. She got little finger puppets. That's so cute. She's gonna love that. And then let me lay out her dress. It looks like she gets a little red cape and a really cute dress and a little apron to go with the story. And for her craft, it looks like she gets to make Little Red Riding Hood's basket. Oh, she's gonna like that. All right, I'm just closing it back up because I'm gonna go give it to the kids and I can see what their reactions are when they open it. Right? Yep, that one's yours. And that one's Addie's. Yeah.
I can't see. What is this?
What is it?
Mr.
Open it up, Mama.
Oh,
You open it up from the bottom.
I get the tortoise.
Ooh. It's a turtle.
Oh, it's a turtle.
So you can use that as a tortoise in the other books and then as a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
I got a fish.
What'd you get, Mama? Show me. What is it? You what?
A princess?
You got a princess? It's Little Red Riding Hood's dress. What else did you get, Mama? What little toys did you get?
I got this.
Those are finger puppets.
Whoa. I got this. Ooh, some shovels.
Ooh, you can garden.
Can you show off that? Can you show off that? Mama?
What did you get, Mama? What craft did you get?
I got a coloring paper.
Ooh.
This and this.
Ooh, you get to make Little Red Riding Hood's basket. What craft did you get, Noah?
I do not know what this is. It said Mr. Pig's wall.
No, you get to make Mr. Pig's flowers. All right, Addie, let me see your costume. Ooh, and your book. Right, so as you can see, the kids loved it. I'm super excited for them. I think it's going to be a really fun subscription box. Each one was about $40, but so it can get expensive if you have multiple kids. I don't think it's anything that we're going to do every single month, but I do think that it was a good value for the price. They each got a book, they got a costume, they got a craft, and then they got some kind of accessory to go with it. So Noah got his little gardening kit, and Addie got some little finger puppets that she's already making plans with. I'll post the link below for it in case you guys wanted to check it out. If you have any subscription box recommendations, post that in the comments. I'd love to find some new ones to try that are going to be fun for the kids this year. And as always, if you guys like this video, give us a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and we'll be back again. Bye!